Hi there, my name is Gift and I am the founder of Shava Consulting. So over the years, I have visited a ton of websites, small business websites included. And of those websites that I've visited, I've noticed a ton of those websites do not have an SSL certificate, meaning they are not secure. And so if you are one of those business owners who has a website and it does not have an SSL certificate, or it has a big sign saying it is not secure on the top left side of the screen, then you need to fix that as soon as possible. So how do you know your website does not have an SSL certificate? Well, let me give you two examples of website, one with an SSL certificate and one without an SSL certificate. So the first website with an SSL certificate is shavaconsulting.com. Now, when we hover on this padlock over here and we click on that, you'll see that it has an SSL certificate that is valid and it says connection is secure. That means this website has an SSL certificate. So it doesn't have this big sign that says not secure next to the URL. Now let's visit a website that does not have an SSL certificate. This website, for example, you can see next to the URL, there is a big sign that says not secure. Now on some PCs, on some laptops, on some browsers, this sign is usually big and red. And so when we click on that, you can see it clearly says your connection to this site is not secure, meaning this website does not have an SSL certificate. So one with an SSL certificate, it has a nice little padlock next to the URL. And we have a website without an SSL that does not have that nice little padlock. Now, a lot of those websites that I visited did not have that little padlock on the site, meaning they are not secure, just like this one. And so going back to the presentation, so why is having an SSL certificate, why is not having an SSL certificate on your website so negative? Well, there are two reasons to that. Number one, your potential clients who visit your website will not trust your site, especially if they did not come to your website through a trusted referral. And so what will happen is they'll come to your website, they will see that big not secure sign at the corner, and so they would leave and go to your competitor's website. And so you have lost a potential lead because you did not take the 5 minutes necessary just to install an SSL certificate. The second reason is that Google will penalize your website. And so they will not rank your website well enough compared to your competitors who actually have that SSL certificate installed on their website. And so what happens is, if your competitor has that SSL certificate installed on their website and you don't, Google will prioritize your competitor that has that SSL certificate installed on their website. And so these are two crucial reasons why not having an SSL certificate is actually a big negative for your website. Now, it is a very simple thing to install. An SSL certificate is a pretty simple thing to install. How do you install an SSL certificate? Well, simply ask your web developer or your web hosting company to install one for you. And really it should take them a couple of minutes and you would have your website with an SSL certificate installed. And so there is absolutely no reason why in 2021 your website there's absolutely no reason why your website in 2021 shouldn't be having an SSL certificate. So I hope you found this video helpful, valuable, useful. If you did, hit that like button below. Subscribe to this channel as we'll be posting more regular videos on a weekly basis to help you dominate your market.